Hello, welcome to Autism Takes On, and today we're gonna make double chocolate chip cookies. This is my mom from Healthy Home Cooking.
Hi, you ready to cook? For these double chocolate chip cookies, first we're going to put all the dry ingredients into the bowl. So we're going to start with 3 cups of
Almond flour.
3
cups of almond flour.
And we're going to add to that 1 cup of
Cocoa powder.
1
cup of cocoa powder.
You got a spatula there.
Yeah, I'm using this. I'm pretty sure it's magenta spatula because Stuka likes magenta.
Next is 1/2 cup of
1/2 a cup of maple sugar.
Maple sugar. Okay. And now we have 1/2 of a teaspoon of baking soda.
Use a 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda.
And now we have 4 teaspoons of baking powder.
Use 4 teaspoons of baking powder.
2 tablespoons of cornstarch.
2 tablespoons of cornstarch. Indigo.
And your last dry ingredient is 1/2 teaspoon of
Salt.
salt.
Use a 1/2 teaspoon of salt.
Okay, now pick up your whisk and gently whisk all of those ingredients together.
Use whisk. We're whisking it together.
We gotta turn the oven on. So turn the oven on to 350. Good. Okay, now it's time for our wet ingredients. So we're gonna take 1 cup of almond butter.
Okay. Use 1 cup of almond butter. Yep.
Okay, now use a spatula to scrape the rest out.
Almond butter is just as sticky as peanut butter, so be careful not to get any on your fingers unless you really love almonds and almond butter.
Next, 2/3 of a cup of
Maple syrup.
maple syrup.
Use 2/3 of a cup of maple syrup.
And now we have a 1/4 cup of almond milk.
Use a 1/4 cup of almond milk in a very old measuring cup that your grandma might remember.
Okay, now we're also gonna put 2 tablespoons of molasses. And this is really thick and it likes to stick to the measuring spoon. Very easy to get too much. So that's 1.
And 2.
That's 2. We're gonna try to scrape out the extras there. And then we got 2 teaspoons of
Vanilla.
vanilla. You wanna try this one?
Yep. 2 teaspoons
Got it?
of vanilla.
More. Now mix all of that together. Make sure you get the sides and from the bottom. It doesn't look like it's all gonna come together, but it eventually does.
I'm gonna get my workout today from this.
I think that might be pretty good. You ready for the last ingredient?
Yeah.
9 ounces of
Chocolate chips. Here we go. And in they go.
all there is?
Yep.
Okay. Okay, now I'm going to show you how we're going to get the dough into a cookie shape. It's not like your traditional cookie. First, I made my hands wet because you have to roll the batter into a ball, and this batter loves to stick on your hands. So you're going to make them wet, work with maybe about 5 or 6 cookies, then you have to wash your hands off, and then you can continue. So you're just gonna pinch a little batter here, and you wanna make it about the size of a ping pong ball, or a little bit smaller than a golf ball, just like that.
Tasty ping pong ball.
Then you're gonna put it on the tray, and then you're gonna smush it just a little bit, just like that. Would you like to try?
Yeah.
Okay, go make your hands wet. And I'll do another 1 or 2 while you're making them wet. Okay, get a pinch. Sometimes I like to use a spatula to get some out too. Okay, roll it in the ball.
Here's a ping pong ball? Stop.
Nope, 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 nope. We don't smash it down. We just gently press it down. Okay? You got good technique.
Here's a ping pong ball.
Good. And you're going to try to make them all about the same size. That one looks a little small, so grab a little bit more dough. Do you know why you want to make them all the same size?
Why?
Because if they're different sizes, they won't cook evenly. The small ones will burn and the big ones won't get done. And when the dough starts sticking to your hands, you know it's time to wash the dough off of your hands and then re-wet them. Okay, now these are going to go into the oven, which we set for
350 degrees Fahrenheit.
350 degrees, and they're going to bake in there for 12 minutes. You ready to get them to the oven?
Yep.
Okay.
Now we put them in the oven. Kitchen timer.
Well,
That is all for today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe.